it's Erica. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, then don't forget to subscribe. Alright, so I'm just going to address the elephant in the room. Coronavirus. So I do live in California where we are self-quarantining. It's like day 4 or 3 or something. I don't know. I've already cleaned my entire house. So I'm going to clean my entire body.
Not that I don't do that every day.
But you get what I'm saying? Self-care day. Wash my hair, pluck my eyebrows, do a face mask. That's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye. Okay guys, I'm going to start this journey by washing my hair with Pantene's Repair and Protect and conditioning with their Curl Perfection. Alright guys, I'm going to attempt a snap transition. Not bad. Okay, next I'm going to put on this clearing sweet tea and lemon face mask. Another one of the reasons I'm getting this self-care out of the way is because I don't have my 6-month-old right now. So I'm going to chill with this on for 15 minutes, drink my coffee, and smoke a blunt. And once the time is up, I'm going to go ahead and peel that off. This doesn't hurt as bad as like the charcoal one, but it still works really good. I got it from Five Below a while ago. The next I'm going to use my Beano Positively Radiant Daily Moisturizer. I use this all the time. I got it from CVS for like $2 or something. So I just massage it in really good. I'll get all that, oh my god, they're doing gardening. I'll get all that extra face mask off my face later. Before I start my brows, I'm going to use this leave-in mask on my hair that I got in my FabFitFun box. It's the Moroccan Gold Series leave-in mask because my hair has been very dry. It smells nice. I haven't used this before. This is my first time, so we'll see how we like it. I have a lot of hair. Ooh, look how shiny. Wow, it looks so shiny. I still can't believe I cut my hair. And then while this is just in my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and pluck my brows. Then after my brows are done, the last step is to do this eye mask to like soothe the area around my eyebrows that's like tender from me plucking them and So while I let this sit on my eyes, I'm going to chill out. My son's gonna be home in about less than an hour, so this is my last little bit of peace. I'm going to put on some Janae Eco because I can always vibe out to her music. This is her new album called Chilumbo. I'm listening to the song I forgot which song I ended up picking. Okay, so I ended up listening to Surrender featuring Dr. Chill. So I'm going to start that and close the little flaps on my eyelids and just have some quiet time to myself while I have it. Alright guys, and once that has been about 15 minutes, I just rub the rest into my skin. And that is it for my self-care day. My skin's moisturized, my hair's moisturized, my eyebrows are done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon.